more painting. I decided to go with the all blue. So I've done the first coat of the bottom tonight, doing another one tomorrow. I've also touched up the horns and another little red on the front, and I've done the inside sort of black. It's funny, looking through the camera makes everything look a lot more crap than it actually looks when you look at it in real life. So the next thing I want to look at is detailing. That I am stuck on. We will find something to do. One thing I have been looking at trying to do is how to add some rivets, because I feel like that would make it look more lifelike. I read a thing online that said you can use little drops of PVA glue equally spaced. Let's try this. Obviously a panel like that would never be riveted like that. But I'm going to let them dry overnight and give them a paint tomorrow and see. This has not gone well. They have all flattened out. The video I watched said that you can do a second layer, so I'm going to try and do that now. More to come. And there's some undone, some done. Maybe glue on glue will stop it collapsing. Find out in 12 hours. Next phase is building a box for the battery. And it's going to be this long, but it then needs to be annoyingly slightly less wide than this piece, because this is too wide to fit in the train. Let's cut the bits. Here you go. First stage of the box. Hopefully the glue's not quite dry yet, but let's see if it works. It will be painted black, the same as the rest of the insides, but that covers up the batteries. Hooray! This was the outcome of the rivet test. It didn't really work. I'm going to try on the other side with the balsa cement. Here we go. Now, it looks better on initial, and it's gloopier than PVA, so maybe this will work. Who knows? I'm joined by assistant colour-inner over there. Ding ding! We have a winner! Balsa wood cement makes better fake rivets. There you go. Than the super glue. Now to put them on that. Obviously, they need painting blue. But we have rivets. Looks alright. Also, I need to paint it, but this is also riveted and goes on as such. And once that's painted the same colour as this, it'll look a bit like an engine block. I think I'm going to need to make an end for it too. I have made a little box to cover the battery up. It's the wife turning the taps on, and I made some rivets. So I'm going to paint these blue now. I'm not going to paint the second coat on these because I have ordered some letters, and I'm going to do VLR on a oval thing because that's the name of the railway, the Vincent Light Railway, and then potentially like a number on the front and back to represent. So one there and one there, and then VLR and VLR to represent the railway. I think that'll make it pop a bit. And then I'm going to go to Bunnings at the weekend and I'm going to buy some dirt so I can plant a plant. And I'm going to see if they sell gold paint, and I'm going to, or bronze paint actually, brass paint, and paint some of this to make it look brass. What do you say, despairing wife? Rivets painted. They look pretty good actually. Looking more like a tram.